Okay guys, I'm gonna unhook the manure spreader. Yes, this window is very clean. And this one, and this one. Start her up. Here we go. This video is gonna be putting duals on mostly, but I'm gonna upload this on the main channel, Iowa Dairy Boys. But when we put duals on the other 4450, not that one, but the other one, that is going to be on IDB Repairs, because that is where they are supposed to go. But many people, I guess, don't know about it because there's only like 400 subscribers on it. So this is like a video, an introduction to what the videos are about on IDB Repairs. I'll have it in I'll have like something that pops up on the screen so you can go check it out. Couldn't back up much farther because the blade was there, so I had to turn fast. Freaking windows are fogging up. We don't have a pressure washer, so that's going to be pretty hard to get off back there. Basically, we're done spreading manure. We have manure still, it's just, I don't know. We need to do other stuff. Basically, we have an infinite amount. I can barely see out of this damn thing. Right where I park it is where it is going to sit for the summer. Right, Duke? It says 10,069 hours exactly. Watch out, Duke. Now we gotta take the chains off. You want me to put it in the same pile or a different one? Like those duals? Yeah. Back up in both at the same time. Where's the other block? What? I thought that was too high, remember? I can't remember for sure. Back up, huh? For a big ass tractor has the stupidest horn. Watch out, Duke. So that's on this side then. Yep. Yeah. Hope I can find one that semi-spins. Hope it'll work. Do you think these will be loose enough already?
Well, to get one that you can turn my hand.
This one's somewhat loose. I can barely turn it with my hands. Where's the wrench?
They're on 30-20. Front weight. They're on one side. 16th and 16th. One of the other.
It's 15/16. Goes through the dual first and then the hook on the tractor. Right?
Oh shit, wait. Popped out in the fucking bottom. Why? I don't know. Shit. Weird. Bottom don't stay in. Ain't gonna do us no good to
Hook it.
Okay.
That's nowhere near close enough.
Cause you're crooked. You're too crooked. You ain't no in right hole.
I still don't think it's gonna make it there.
Nope. Because you gotta loosen up somewhere here. It's usually you gotta loosen them up.
Fucking the right hole.
Turned it a little bit.
Turn it some more.
I think you turned it a little bit more. There. Tighten this one up. You can find one to the other side.
Gosh damn. Freaking son of a flying dick monkey. Just tighten up. You're kidding me, right?
mocking me. Come on! Now we're tightening it. That one's been used a lot. Huh? What bullshit? Gosh damn it, I'm not left-handed. Still gonna pop out. That's pretty straight. That don't work with crap. You ratchet at the end. Someone said this is a 15/16 ratchet end in the wrench. This takes forever, dude. Still gonna pop out on me. Let's tighten up. Better in my gosh dang right hand. Now we're going.
thought I had one over there already.
Yeah, you do. I mean, you gotta have a rope. Out here putting duals on the 4440 today. As I explained earlier, this will be an Iowa Dairy Boys channel. And when we put the duals on the 50 and some other spring maintenance like changing oil, blowing out air filters, I think we're putting transmission filters in, or hydraulic filters, whatever you want to call them. We'll be doing a bunch of that stuff over on IDB Repairs. I'll put a little thing somewhere for you to click again. Y'all can check that out and subscribe if you want to. Made two different channels because some people strictly want farming, some people would rather have mechanical, and most people would rather have both. So if you like mechanical stuff or just fixing stuff, and sometimes we'll put our random videos on, like we burned a Christmas tree over there, with IDB Repairs, and some other stuff. Probably loosen this up way too much. Yep. Anyway. Only about 2 inches. Anyway, yeah, you can go over there. This is basically an introduction video of what IDB Repairs has. So if we're not posting on the main channel, it is, we haven't posted on the main channel in a while, most likely on IDB Repairs. We haven't posted on either, or I guess we don't have any videos to post. That might happen where there's not a video for a couple weeks. Hasn't happened yet, but I kind of see it coming soon. I don't think there'll be too much planting videos because of school, which really kind of makes me mad. School has to hold back everything. I miss half the stuff because of school. Are you kidding me right now? So you'll see a speed up version if you haven't already. Okay. Got these 7 cranked down as tight as I can get. And we'll drive it around for a while. Then you always want to make sure you check it again because they can loosen up once the tire settles down or settles in or whatever you want to call it. 7 should hold it. And then
And that side's pretty well done. And then this side needs 4 more. I guess that one's not even started, but I won't show that in video because you just seen me do it on the other side. So I'll get to you when I'm all done. Here we go. Got them all on, tightened. Both of them are 18.438s, all 4 tires on the back. These are pretty old tires. Probably need to be aired up. But let's pull this bad boy out of here. Here we go. Let's get a little mud on the tires. Snap a photo of this. Then we can do one up high, to the side, sideways. Probably didn't see that last one. I don't know what the how much air pressure in, so I'll ask them. We'll air them up. I'm sure they're a little low. They haven't been aired up in a couple years. And guess that's probably it for this video. Maintenance, like oil and stuff, we haven't done yet. That'll be a separate video. This one was probably long, so see ya.